Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. If you've ever needed a business plan and couldn't afford to have somebody write it for you, well, there are some free tools you can use, including ChatGPT, as well as a free template from the Small Business Administration that can get you on your way without breaking the bank. We're going to go over how to set those business plans up in a second. But the first thing I want you to do is download Form 1010C from the Small Business Administration. Now, I will include a link here on this very video, and I'll put it in the comment sections as well. The template is your business plan template, and it asks all the questions that you're going to need to have answered long before you actually apply for your small business loan. This process is just the first step in getting to where you need to be. So we're going to go through this questionnaire step by step, question by question. And instead of you paying someone to write your business plan for you, you can add the particulars that you already know that is indicative of your own business and have that generated using AI to create a readable, workable business plan based on facts, not on fiction. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Well, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up your web browser, and we're going to go ahead and go directly to the search field. Now, you can get this form from any location, and all you're doing is just typing SBA Form 1010C. You can get it from a number of sources. There's one from DocHub, PDF Filler. The one I used came from the city of San Francisco. It's the same form over and over again. Doesn't matter. Once you get it, go ahead and download it. You have a copy on your own PC. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and open up a new tab just by clicking on the plus sign right here. We're going to go to chat.openai.com, and you're going to log in or sign up. Now, if you haven't signed up already, go ahead and do so. It's free. But be aware that it's being used a lot. The free version is being used a lot, so it will notify you if they've reached their limit. Go ahead and hit log on. If you have set up your account, select your email address that you used, and there you are. Now, that is it. Now, again, they're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling the system. Go ahead and get rid of that message, and that is that. Customizing your conversation is going to be essential to getting out good information. Now, ChatGPT is basically is only as good as the information going into it. We already know what some of the questions that the Small Business Administration template is going to be asking you. So let's go ahead and look at those right now. Things like the executive summary, we save for last. All right, that's the advice from the SBA. Save that for last. We're going to come back to it after your business plan is completed. Let's go down. Business history and background and objectives. What are you trying to do? What is your business about? This is not something that the AI can pull out of your head for you. You will have to write that. But you can give the AI some basic information. Let's demonstrate. For our example, we're going to create a business called Clucks. It's a wing factory. And let's call it Clucks. Hot wings and comfort food. Let's go ahead and get some spelling in there. All right. Set some parameters. Klux is an LLC. And let's go ahead and create a business plan. Oh, well, let's say history for Klux based on. We're going to use one for example, but this is where you're going to be putting in your real information on Wingstop, and let's generate it. You see what it's doing? We ask it in a question, and it's going to tell you what it is. So what you're doing is taking this input and out business plan history for Clucks in the year, whatever it was, a group of passionate food enthusiasts, and identified a gap in the market for high quality hot wings and comfort food. All of this stuff is being generated by the AI. There is nothing wrong with using this information. You have to customize that information for what you get. Once you get the desired output, go ahead and hit the clipboard button here and paste it into another tab. I'm going to close this inflation one. Let's go ahead and hit a new tab. This time we're going to open up a free document, um, blank document, and this is going to serve as your actual business plan. Let's go to Google Docs, blank one, and paste. You have all the information that ChatGTP has just created for you and put it in there. Now you can go ahead and customize this for whatever you need to do, and then move on to the next question. You're going to repeat the process for as many questions there are on the rest of that template. It is that simple. When it comes to the customization part, you're just going to have to grin and bear it. Now, that beats you having to tell a consultant firm or a writer, a business writer, everything that you've done thus far for your creation of your business. You're just simply going to input that into the computer or into the AI program and go forward. You can also use current news to update what Chat GPT does not already know. Some of the areas where it will really come in to help you is setting up your financial plan data, your business resources, where you're going to be adding what do you actually own, giving you those kind of statements. And as you've seen just now with this demonstration, that is that simple. Um, Let me know what you think. Leave your comments, suggestions, and whatnot in the bottom of the section. I will try to assist you with anything you've got. Let me just tell you that there are a lot of people out on the internet selling the services, and they're doing the same thing that you just learned how to do. Um, you can go forward if you want to try to, you know, bilk somebody, but that to me is just a little bit disingenuous because you're not actually doing any work. You're going to be charging the potential customer for your time and your expertise in this matter. Someone wants you to build them a business plan. Okay, fine. You're going to have to set aside time to do that. I'm just appealing to your sense of urgency when it comes to creating your own business. If you want to forego that and you're going to get the same, if not a better product from yourself, because who knows your business better than you? Go ahead and use this as a rough draft, even, and then present that to a business professional if you so choose. But I can tell you right now, it took me maybe about a day or two to really sit down and just knuckle down and put in all the information that I wanted. And I had a nice business plan complete with the financial forecast by the end of that 48 hours. And I was ready to go. Leave your comments, critiques in the bottom of this section of this video. And let me know if there's anything else we can add to it. Talk to you later.